Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. I have an interesting and quick sandwich recipe for y'all today. Kids and adults both love this sandwich and it'll be a hit every time you make it. This yummy filling is the star of the show. Let's see how it's made. Come on. Here I have mayonnaise, but you can substitute it for sour cream or Greek yogurt also. Some ketchup, salt, pepper powder, Italian seasoning or mixed herb seasoning, and crushed red pepper. Mix well. Now we will add in some veggies and you can add any veggies of your choice. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. You can make this filling a day ahead and keep it in an airtight container and ready to use. You can use any bread of your choice. We will cut the edges and you can use the edges to make breadcrumbs. Apply the butter evenly. Go ahead and click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes coming every week. Turn it over and we will spread the filling we made earlier evenly on the bread slice. I'm using mixed cheese blend, but you can use any cheese of your choice. Close with the other slice and we will butter that slice also. Try to spread the butter evenly. Here I have heated up the griddle and we will place this sandwich and heat it up on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes per side for even color and for the cheese to melt and the veggies to cook but still remain crunchy at the same time. The sandwich is ready when both the sides get an even golden color and the cheese has melted. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.